All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Eutsler DUK. This is one of the nicest knives that are around, and I'm gonna try to do a little bit of cleanup. There's nothing needed, but just grab a T8 and actually, you know what? Open the blade first, grab a T8, remove the pivot screw like so. There you go. And this should pop off, right? There you go. And we should be able to rotate the knife. Actually, no. Let's do this side here. Just leave it there. Screws from the show side are out. That's one. That's the second one. Like so. I still feel this guy coming apart. There you go. So that's the second one. That's the scale. Zirc collar. You got some skiff bearings. All right, that's very interesting. So I want to show you guys. Check the bearing track. Very interesting. So you see, like maybe I can show you, like here, like see, it's like really tight. Look at this. Here you go. So that is one. Same thing for wow. Maybe, I don't know, it's not magnetic for sure. No. So here we have to be just careful and have a little bit of patience. So maybe trying to pull this from this side like so. All right, be patient, guys. Wow, this thing is, wow, that's very interesting. I don't want to scratch anything, so I'm just gonna take my time. This fella doesn't really want to come out, eh? All right, not a biggie. I'm just gonna do this thing. Then I need something like plastic, so we're not gonna scratch anything. So maybe if I push down here, I'm able to use wow, that is definitely interesting. I was almost there. You saw that, right? There you go. I got it. So look at this thing. Anyways, we are here, guys. Thanks for the patience. Grab an alcohol swab and start cleaning out everything. So one thing that I want to show you over here. So we have ceramic bearings on titanium. So that's not ideal, but still works. Here we have our Zirc collar, Zirc spacer, Zirc clip, Zirc stud, and we do have some nice Zir blast going on, right, Clark? So yeah, looks good. So we are cleaned up, right? I cleaned these guys, yes. So done. Let's put this thing back together. But I wanted to show you this stainless steel lock face insert. From the outside, you don't see anything. There's a hint on this side, but it's all hidden in the back with an over travel integrated lock bar stabilizer. So, boom, that's in. Nano weight, 10 oil. It's going to be 1, 2, and 3. And 1 over here for the detent. And then we got, maybe let's do the pivot first, like so. So right there, we got the bearing, we got the lube, we got the blade, we got the second bearing, we got some more lube going on over 1, 2, and 3 drops right there. This is going to be the spacer in this position right there. Then you can just sandwich the scale back in place like so. Here we go. It is better. So here, as you can see, the spacer needs to be lined up properly like that. So I'm just gonna do this here just to catch the hole of the spacer so it's not gonna go anywhere, and just like that. So everything is in place. You are gonna need a T8. So here, what I'm gonna do, I'm just pinching this, okay, and I'm just gonna screw this in, correct? Maybe like that is gonna be catching the thread. So this is done. I'm not tightening all the way down for now. Okay, so sorry, this guy, maybe we want the color. What do you think? Yeah, we do. There we go. So this is in. Blade is centered, seating nicely. There's no play. The action of this thing is just superb. Clark, thanks again. This was a nice hookup. I really don't see anything wrong. And this action again. It's stellar. Maybe, you know what, I can try just a little less. Blade is centered. Ooh. This is a gorgeous action. Really nice and smooth. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, because this is an awesome knife, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe.